Good morning, boys and girls. I will be reading day 3, week 13, 180 days of reading passages. It says, if you kick a soccer ball, it will move. But if you do not kick it, it stays where it is. Why doesn't the soccer ball move? Inertia keeps it in place. Inertia keeps it in place. Inertia is a kind of rule about objects. Inertia tells us two things. Objects that are not moving will remain unmoved unless something moves them. Objects that are moving will keep moving unless something stops them. Try it. Put a book on your desk and watch it. The book doesn't move because inertia is keeping it in place. Now pick up the book and drop it on the floor. The book will keep falling until the floor stops it. That's because of inertia too. Number 1. What is the text about? A. Playing soccer. B. Inertia. C. Refusing to move. Or D. Books about autumn. Number 2. Which title best describes the main idea? Is it A. Following the rules. B. The rules of inertia. C. Following books. Or D. Watching objects move. Number 3. How many syllables does inertia have? Is it A. 1 syllable, B. 2 syllables, C. 3 syllables, or D. 4 syllables? Number 4. Which is an antonym of moves? Antonym. Remember, antonym means opposite. Is it A. Propels, B. Travels, C. Remains, or D. Moving? Which is an antonym of moves. Number 5. How do you know the author's purpose is to inform? Is it A. The language is academic and informative, B. The language is informal and comical, C. The language is persuasive and opinionated, or D. The language is casual and conversational? How do you know the author's purpose is to inform? And that is all.